Directing consists of the process and technique utilizing in issuing instruction and making certain that operations are called out as planned. Continuing further, definition we have seen. Now, importance. As I told you all, whenever you are studying an answer, first you have to look at the question. We'll see in this question how many points they have asked. Any 5 points of directing. Answer in brief, tick mark. Any page number 35, answer in brief, tick mark. Any 5 points of importance of directing. So this answer we are going to start, and it is only asked in answer in brief and in attempt the following. In attempt the following, no, it is not asked in attempt the following. Planning, organizing, staffing, it is asked. So attempt the following also tick mark. Question number 4, explain the importance of directing. So whenever you are writing attempt the following, according to the marks you have to write. If it is asked for 8 marks, you have to write the entire points that is given in the textbook. If it is asked for 5 marks, usually it is asked for 5 marks in answer in brief. That time you have to write at least 7 points. Then answer the following, last one. So as you can see, there is answer in brief. Understand the paper pattern first. Answer in brief, attempt the following, and answer the following. This answer the following is mostly for 10 marks. Over here is directing asked. Planning, organizing, staffing, directing is asked. So whenever you are writing this answer, you have to write a definition. That is important. Definition, many students write DEFE. The spelling of definition is DEFI. So take that into consideration. So I hope the questions are clear for today. Give the definition of directing and explain the importance of directing. In this, you have to attempt the entire to the process or technique of instructing, guiding, counseling, overseeing, leading people towards accomplishment of organization goal. Is this important? Yes. When you are writing brief, when you are writing answer the following, that is for 10 marks, that time this introduction is important. If the answer is not asked for 10 marks, do not write the introduction. Now, okay, understand how to attempt the answer, how to write the answer. These things you have to practice. First, introduction will come in 10 marks answer. Then this definition will come. Then after that, you have to leave a line and write importance of directing. This is how 10 marks answer needs to be attempted. Total 10 points are there. So we'll start with the first point. Initiates action. Initiation means to take the first step is called as what? Initiates. That is called as initiation. To take the first step is called as initiates. So who takes the first step? The first step is taken by the manager. That's why it is called as directing is a function. Now in our book, mostly it is not given that manager word is not used. So always remember whenever you are studying directing, जब भी आप लोग ये डायरेक्टिंग पढ़ रहे हो या फिर कोई भी पॉइंट्स पढ़ रहे हो, इट शुड ऑलवेज बी फ्रॉम अ मैनेजर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. एटलीस्ट डायरेक्टिंग पॉइंट जो है वो मैनेजर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आप लोग को देखना है, तो ही आपको समझ में आएगा. Directly pointing, starting with the head point, that is initiate action. Action means things that needs to be done is called as action. When you are going to your college, you are attending lecture, you are giving exam, all these things are called as action. Initiates action. Direction is a function which is supposed to activate the plans with the help of employees. इसका मतलब समझना बहुत सिंपल है. Whenever your class teacher or your subject teacher is coming to you and they're giving you some direction, like today I told you all how to write an answer. isn't it? So what you'll do now, you'll follow the plan. So what I gave you all today in the start of the lecture, I'll give you all how to write the answer. That planning I gave you all. So in the same way, a manager will go and tell the employees what needs to be done for today, or what is the schedule we are going to follow for the month. To activate the plan is in the hands of a manager. That's why it is called as directing function, which supports to activate the plan with the help of employees. Every action is initiated through timely direction. So this direction is not one time, it keeps on changing. Understood? Whenever direction is given, it is not for a one time, it keeps on changing according to the situation, according to the time, it will keep on changing. That's why it is called as timely direction. Proper instructions are given to subordinates while completing. Underline subordinates, write down juniors. Underline subordinates, write down juniors. So whenever you are studying, make sure that you underline things and you write down these things. Subordinates and superiors. Superior means the one who are at the top are called as superiors. Subordinates means the one who work under them is called as subordinates. Subordinates, while completing their assigned tasks, the managers direct the subordinates about what to do, how to do, when to do. Underline this. See here, now they are using the word manager. So this word should have been used in the start only, so that you should not be get confused. But then too, now you all are grown up to understand the meaning of the word managers. Okay, got it? Managers means manager are the people who direct the subordinates. Subordinates means juniors. What to do? Like in your whenever your unit test exam will be there, or any exam is there, what the teacher will tell, the teacher will tell what to study, and then the teacher will tell how to study. Then when is your exam? In the same way, over a manager also will tell what work needs to be done. If we are producing something, what we are producing, and then how we are going to produce, how we are going to use the machinery, how we are going to sell things, how we are going to do the marketing, how we are going to increase the sale, and when. When is also important, because according to the time period, according to the season, if it is a product which is a seasonal product, like if it is an ice cream manufacturing company, that time when to do means before summer is the best time to sell the product, because during rainy season and during winter season, people don't tend to buy this product. Integrates efforts. Communication is one of the elements of directing. It helps in integrating the efforts of all employees and departments, which results in achieving organizational goal. Simple. Integrates means bringing together. Underline integrates, write down bringing together. Communication is one of the elements of direction. It helps in integrating, bringing together of all the employees and departments. So through directing, we can make sure that the company is working at a single goal. All employees and departments. There are many employees in an organization, thousands of employees, many departments. As just now I gave you example of department, sales department, marketing department, finance department. Many departments are there, which results in achievement of organizational goal. So all departments, all employees should work for a single purpose, that is to achieve the organizational goal. Integration of efforts is possible through the persuasive leadership and effective communication towards the accomplishment of organizational goals. Meaning of motivation. One more easy point, meaning of motivation. 2 points we have completed. The first point is initiates action, in which we saw how timely action direction should be given. We understood the meaning of subordinate. In the second point, integrated efforts, we saw that there are many employees and departments, so bringing together And being a good leader, persuasive leader means motivating leader is important, and accomplishment of goal is important. We saw how role of manager is important. Okay, manager, means of motivation. While directing the subordinates, they are continuous. I'll let you know. Okay, meaning of motivation. When directing the subordinates, their opinion are also considered. The manager identifies the potential and abilities of its subordinates and helps them to give their best. So this you can write in your own point that every manager identifies particular ability of subordinate. Subordinate means junior. He or she you can write over here, not compulsory that always it should be he. Instead of he, you can also write he or she, or only she you can write. Also motivates them by offering them financial or non-financial incentives. Financial incentives means something extra. Underline incentives, write down something extra apart from the salary. Incentives means extra from the salary. Financial means to give money, that is bonus or something extra. Non-financial means what? Non-financial means to give them a certificate, to give them an award, to give them a medal, or to incur their petrol expenses, incur their traveling expenses. All these are called as what? Non-financial. It boosts the morale of subordinates, provides stability. Moral means the motivational level whenever they're working for an organization. Moral means sometimes we feel, the employees feel that the organization is not doing anything for us, only salary they are giving, nothing else. So it will boost their moral. Provides stability. Stability plays significant role in the growth and survival of the organization. What is the meaning of this? If a company is stable, if there is directing, if there is proper directing function, we won't get diverted from our head point. What is our head point? What is our answer? That is importance of directing. So stability means to grow but not to go down. That is called as stable. Stability plays significant role in the growth and survival of the organization. Effective leadership. See, again, same things are getting repeated. That's why I told you all that directing is one of the easiest point. Not very easy, but yeah, if you remember, it will be easy. Leadership, communication, supervising, motivating, develop cooperation, commitment among the employees. So leadership word was repeated in the previous point also. Leadership. So just understand communication was over here, and again communication is coming over here in the fourth point. Motivational, our previous point was about motivation only, and again they are talking about motivation. So students, just understand that whenever you are framing the answer, whenever you're writing the answer, understand the words that are being used. That is more important. It provides stability and creates balance among various departments. Just now we saw that there are various departments in an organization. So over here also they have repeated the same thing, various departments and groups inside an organization. Coping up with the change. Coping up with the change means accepting the change. Adapting. Adapting means accepting. Facts of business environment are always changing. So coping up with changes means whenever an organization is growing, they have to change. Then only they'll be able to grow. So how to cope the change? Example they have given, use of robots at workplace. So many of the companies have started using robotic system for security. E-filing. Previously, income tax filing used to be done by submitting it in the office, but now everything is done online. That's why it is called as what? E-filing. Factors of business environment are always changing. Adapting to environmental changes is necessary for the growth of the organization. With the help of motivation, proper communication and leadership, the employees can clearly understand the nature of change and also the positive outcome of adopting the change. So whenever there is a change, the organization should be able to adapt the change. It can be adopted only because of directing function. Effective utilization of resources. Direction involves assigning duties and responsibilities to everyone. Do you agree with this? Directing involves giving duties. That is the main function of directing. Directing involves assigning means underline write down giving to assign the duty. Whenever a function was there in your college, at that time you were given duty to do volunteering, to do to prepare something. Okay, so whenever duties and are given, at that time direction comes into picture. Direction involves assigning duties and responsibilities to everyone. Proper instruction and systems are developed to avoid wastage, duplication of efforts, etc. Whenever instructions are given, while writing your exam, instruction is given to you that only one supplement will be given, only two supplement will be given. At that time, our wastage is avoided. Duplication means doing the thing again and again. It's called as duplication. Subordinates are guided to utilize their resources, that is men, machine, material, and money in maximum possible way. It helps reducing cost. Men means what? Labor. Now understand things over here. Men means labor. Machine means machinery. Materials means whatever materials are used inside an organization. Materials not only means raw materials, it means many materials like saving electricity bill whenever there is no need, saving of water, that also comes into picture. So to utilize the resources properly and money in maximum possible way, it helps to reduce cost and increase profits. Creates team spirit. Whenever we are doing something, we have to have a team spirit. If there is no team spirit, then obviously the work cannot be done. The directing focuses on motivating the subordinates. What is the meaning of subordinates? Again, I am telling subordinates means the junior level of employees are called as what? Subordinates. Group efforts. Directing focuses on motivating the subordinates for group efforts. Whenever group efforts is done, at that time the organization grows. A single person working will not lead to an organizational success. In success of an organization, there is always a group effort and not individual effort. Underline this, that individual efforts are not there, only group efforts are there. Understood? Therefore, manager as a director plays a very important role in guiding and motivating the employees to achieve predetermined goals. So we have completed 7 points. I'll leave this meeting. Point number 8 is explores capability of individuals. हर एक इंडिविजुअल का अलग कैपेबिलिटी होता है. Like in your friends also, you all must have observed that many people have different capabilities. Many of your friends have different capabilities. In that same way, over here, capability means what all an employee can do, what all an employee is good in. So कई बार ऐसा होता है कि टीचर्स को पता रहता है कि what students are good in. स्टूडेंट्स के साथ इंटरेक्ट करने से पता चलता है कि what all things students are good in. In the same way, वो मैनेजर को भी पता चल जाता है कि हर एक एम्प्लॉय का क्या कैपेबिलिटीज है करके. Point number 8, capabilities. Every individual has various capabilities or potential in addition to their formal qualification. Direction helps to identify and utilize their abilities for best performance by encouraging and motivating them just like a leader. Again, the same point, that is leadership qualities has been focused. So you can see that it is very simple. Each and every point is coming and joining around leadership, communication, subordinate. तो डायरेक्टिंग बहुत ही इजी पॉइंट है जहाँ पे बहुत सारा चीज रिपीट हो रहा है. फॉर्मल क्वालिफिकेशंस का मतलब है कि हाँ, हर एक इंडिविजुअल का एक क्वालिफिकेशंस तो रहता ही है. वो क्वालिफिकेशन जो भी है उनका, उसके अगर वो एक्स्ट्रा काम करते हैं तो उनको प्रमोट करना, उनको आगे बढ़ाना किसका काम है? मैनेजर का काम रहता है. इसके लिए यहाँ पे यही बोला हुआ है. दैट इज एक्सप्लोर कैपेबिलिटीज ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स. अभी यहाँ पे आके भटकना नहीं है. सबसे पहले याद रखना है कि हमारा क्या हेड पॉइंट चालू है, हमारा क्या क्वेश्चन चालू है. बहुत सारे बच्चे या फिर बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स इसमें ही फंस जाते हैं कि आंसर पढ़ते पढ़ते वो लोग भूल ही जाते हैं कि हेड पॉइंट क्या था, ऐसा करके. तो ऐसा भूलना नहीं है. एक्सप्लोर कैपेबिलिटीज ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स का मतलब होता है कि हर एक इंडिविजुअल का एक अलग पोटेंशियल होता है. पोटेंशियल मतलब एनर्जी लेवल, काम सीखने का तरीका, काम करने का तरीका. ये कैपेबिलिटीज एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन जब हम लोग मिलाते हैं तो धीरे धीरे क्या होता है, वो इंडिविजुअल का जो कैपेबिलिटीज है वो बाहर आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द चेयरमैन ऑफ स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, I don't remember his name right now, but this chairman, okay, he rose from a very small level. That is, he joined as a junior officer, that is PO officer जिसे कहा जाता है. और धीरे धीरे करके उन्होंने अपना जो पोटेंशियल है वो दिखाया, परफॉर्मेंस दिखाया, और कौन सा लेवल तक पहुंचे, वो चेयरमैन के लेवल तक वो पहुंचने में सक्सेसफुल रहे. तो ये हमें पता चलता है कि हर एक इंडिविजुअल का अपना एक कैपेबिलिटी रहता है और वो कैपेबिलिटी के हिसाब से उसे काम करने आना चाहिए. Direction helps to identify and utilize their abilities for best performance by encouraging and motivating them just like a leader. Increases efficiency level. Efficiency level का मतलब है काम करने का जो तरीका होता है उसे कहते हैं efficiency level. कितना काम हो रहा है. एग्जाम्पल, कभी कुछ दिन ऐसा होता है कि आप लोग ज्यादा पढ़ाई कर पाते हो, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आप लोग कम पढ़ाई कर पाते हो. तो इसे क्या कहते हैं? एफिशिएंसी. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि एम्प्लॉयज बहुत कम काम कर पाते हैं, कोई भी रीजन की वजह से हो सकता है, कोई भी रीजन. तो उनको उनका जो एफिशिएंसी लेवल है वो बढ़ाना किसका काम है? ओके, वो इंक्रीज करना मैनेजर का काम है. और वो इंक्रीज कैसा किया जाता है? दैट इज इंक्रीज थ्रू डायरेक्टिंग फंक्शन. पॉइंट नंबर 9, डायरेक्टिंग फंक्शन increases efficiency level. Guidance and motivation is given to subordinates. Again and again the same word is repeated. तो ये रिपीटेशन ऑफ वर्ड्स को अगर आप लोग ध्यान देते हो तो ऑब्वियसली पूरा आंसर आप लोग इजीली लिख सकते हो. वर्ड टू वर्ड बाहर करने का जरूरत है ही नहीं. गाइडेंस एंड मोटिवेशन इज गिवन टू सबऑर्डिनेट्स. So by now you must have been very clear what is the meaning of subordinates. Subordinates means juniors. Guidance and motivation is given to subordinates to perform at their best level. जो भी उनका लेवल है, whatever level, continuous guidance, continuous motivation is required to perform at their best level. Being a leader, team spirit is created by the manager. ओके, तो देखो कौन सा वर्ड लोग ने यूज किया, मैनेजर वर्ड यूज किया. तो जब भी आप लोग आंसर लिख रहे हो तो किसके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से लिखना है आंसर? मैनेजर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से लिखना है. तो ये छोटा छोटा शॉर्टकट और छोटा छोटा ट्रिक्स मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ so that you are able to write the answer. I truly understand that by hearting the entire answer is impossible because you have to by heart many answers like this. That's why just make sure that you understand all these small tricks. Being a team leader, team spirit is created by manager as well as proper techniques of supervision are used. Supervising means काम देने के बाद उसको सुपरवाइज किया जाता है कि लोग बराबर कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे. That is called as supervision. Understood? Supervise means to जब एग्जामिनेशन रहता है आपका, तो आपको एग्जाम लिखने दिया जाता है और उसके साथ साथ क्या होता है, सुपरविजन भी होता है कि आप लोग बराबर से लिख रहे हो कि नहीं लिख रहे हो, आपको कोई डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है, सब लोग बराबर से ऑर्डरली फॉर्म में चालू है कि नहीं चालू है. तो इसे क्या कहते हैं, सुपरविजन. Proper techniques of supervision are used. It works positively and results into enhancing the efficiency level of the whole organization. तो इससे क्या होता है, पूरा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का एफिशिएंसी लेवल इंक्रीज हो जाता है. Cooperation is necessary for smooth flow of organization activities. It should be created by manager, that is director, from top level to the bottom level. तो कौन क्रिएट करेगा, टॉप लेवल से बॉटम लेवल तक ये क्रिएट किया जाता है कॉपरेशन. कॉपरेशन का मतलब है टू कॉपरेट. अगर जो एम्प्लॉइज है वो कॉपरेट नहीं करेंगे तो कितना भी अच्छा मैनेजर रहने दो, काम बराबर से नहीं हो पाएगा. तो कॉपरेशन एक ऐसा चीज है जो टॉप लेवल से लेके बॉटम लेवल तक होना ही चाहिए. हेल्दी कॉपरेशन, टीम वर्क एंड हायर एफिशिएंसी लेवल लीड टू अटेनमेंट ऑफ गोल्स. तो क्या होगा इससे कि अगर अच्छा कॉपरेशन रहेगा, अच्छा टीम वर्क रहेगा, तो इससे हमारा गोल क्या होएगा, अचीव होएगा. हर एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का गोल क्या रहता है, टू मेक प्रॉफिट. तो ये आप लोग को समझना है कि डायरेक्टिंग पॉइंट, व्हेनेवर यू आर राइटिंग, व्हेनेवर यू आर अटेम्प्टिंग, make sure that you are writing about the manager, make sure you are using manager, employees, organization, profit, leadership, communication, organizational goal, instructions. So now when we read the meaning, we'll come to know we will understand. Directing refers to process or techniques of instructing, guiding, inspiring, counseling. Counseling का मतलब भी आप लोगों को पता रहेगा, you're big enough to understand. So today we have completed this answer, that is importance of directing. Covered today. We'll see you all in the next lecture.